Okay, people, you're impressed. I'm not too well. I'm home. And today I have some amazing, hey, I say I'm superstar, but I see superstar too. And I like him. I watch his movies and all that. Welcome to Ghana.
Thank you, Anwar. Hi, I'm Khalil. What's happening, y'all?
Yeah.
I'm home. I'm home.
Machi.
Machi.
What to say? You don't know what to say.
Good day. You say my Yenya.
Oh my God. And I have the director of the movie coming to Africa. I actually did a movie with them last year, but we didn't speak much about it because Corona, not Corona, not saying you understand?
But we're here now. Corona can't stop us.
Never.
No. Maxine? Yeah, Maxine. Hold the same? Hold the same?
It means we're fine.
Okay, we're fine.
PY. PY came with them. And we're all together. We made that wonderful movie, Coming to Africa. And they're all here. They're back.
Yes.
We're going to do some private screening on Friday.
Yes, it's private premiere.
Private premiere, right?
Yes.
Yes, on Friday.
A Movenpic. 6 p.m. black carpet. Come in your African print dress.
Wow.
Yes.
I need to get my
we are home.
Before
and it's totally by invitation. It's not. We are not selling tickets.
Oh, okay. And tickets. Okay. That's right. And I buy hey, okay. Do you know any Ghanaian musician? Do you know any Ghanaian musician?
Hey, Stone Boy, I already told PY, tell him I've been waiting to see. And me, my wife, Adina. We waiting to see Adina. Stone Boy, I've been bumping him since we
let me ask. Do you know any Ghanaian musician?
I know Adina and Shatawale.
Hey!